Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to put a password on your PlayStation 4 login. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to top and go to settings. Then go on down to where it says login settings. Adjust settings for logging into the PS4. Manage users. So let's select this. Then go to login password management or passcode management right here. Then you have to enter in a new login passcode and enter it in again to confirm it. So let's type something in. And when we go to the user screen now, let's go to switch users, we will have to enter it in. So actually I'm going to log out. So let's log out of my PlayStation 4 and I will have to re-log in. So I'm going to be brought to my last account or I'm going to be brought to that switch user screen. So let's go back to switch users now. And then I'm going to press the PS button. Let's go to this account I was just on. Now I have to type in my login passcode to log into my PlayStation 4. So you can easily put a password on it. And you can go back to settings and you can manage it at any point in time and you can delete it or change it now. So you have the option to change the passcode or delete it right here once this goes away. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.